everyone, it's me, Ellie Sparkles. And guess what I'm doing today? It involves markers, 3 of them, and coloring pages. We're going to be doing the 3 marker challenge today, but we need a friend. And I have a special guest coming. He's from the PJ Masks, he loves science, and he loves tricking people. Leave me a comment below guessing who he is. It's Romeo! Hi, Romeo! Would you like to do the 3 marker challenge with me? What? Romeo, you don't want to play? But if you win, you get to beat me. Romeo loves to win. All right, the rules of the challenge are we have to pick 3 markers from this cup, blindfolded, and then whatever colors you pick out, you have to color with them. And whoever makes the best picture wins. We're gonna do 3 rounds, so we're gonna have 3 different pictures to color in. Are you ready? Let's do a rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, Romeo, you win, which means you get to go first. Okay, everyone, let's blindfold ourselves. Boys and girls, if Romeo cheats, let me know in the comments below. Are you finished, Romeo? Okay, I'm opening my eyes. Cool, you got some really nice colors, Romeo. He picked a really pretty pink. He picked a super bright orange. And he picked an awesome blue. Okay, now it's my turn. Close your eyes. I wonder what color I'll pick. Oh, these markers feel kind of weird. Let me pick this one. This color. And this color. Okay, I'm done. Romeo! Oh, I can't believe it. He swapped out my markers for crayons. It's okay. I like these colors anyway. I have this really cool red, I have this yellow, and I have this blue. And these are really special colors because they're primary colors. If I mix them up, I can get new colors. Romeo, you thought you could get me. Okay, now it's time for the fun part. We get to color in our coloring pages. And our first coloring page is of Owlette. Romeo, you don't like Owlette, do you? I love Owlette. She's my favorite PJ Masks because she can fly and she's the color red. Okay, here's your page, Romeo. And here's mine. It's a good thing I have red for this one. Owlette is the only girl in the PJ Masks, and I love her because her superpower is she can fly. And I love the ability to fly. You can go so many places. Romeo, where would you go if you could fly? All sorts of places. I would go to Italy and eat all the pizzas. I love coloring. Tell me in the comments below what your favorite color is. I'm gonna give her wings 3 different colors. It's gonna be so cool. Romeo, you sure like coloring outside of the lines. Romeo, what are you doing? Don't steal my crayons. They're mine, I picked them. Bye, Ellie. Oh my goodness, did you give Owlette a mustache? And a beard? Owlette doesn't have any of that. You really don't like Owlette, do you, Romeo? And finished. It looks so pretty. All right, Romeo, shall we show the boys and girls what we did? In 3, 2, 1. Who do you think won this first round? Me or Romeo? I won! Yes! I won the first round! Awesome! Now it's time for us to color in our second page. And we're gonna be coloring Punk Boy, the first LOL boy doll. Isn't he so cute? Which LOL doll is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Punk Boy loves to play the guitar. Romeo, can you play guitar? I can play guitar too. I always like to color carefully. Romeo, what are you doing? You're coloring right outside the lines. What is it, Romeo? What? I don't see anything. Romeo, I think you're just tricking me. Okay. Bye. Ellie. I'm almost done. I just have a few more things to color. 3, 2, 1. Finished. What about you, Romeo? Okay, ready to show the boys and girls what we did? In 3, 2, 1. Wait, Romeo, what did you do? Those aren't your marker colors. Did you cheat, Romeo? I can't believe it. Okay, let's see who won this round. And Romeo won this round, of course. It's because he cheated, boys and girls. Well, luckily we have a last round to see who wins the whole challenge. And this time, we're gonna be coloring a minion. What, Romeo, you don't like minions? It's a good thing I have yellow. Don't cheat this time, Romeo. Romeo, I'm not falling for that again. You can't have any of my crayons. Oh, wow, Romeo. Your minion looks really good. What, Romeo? Nope, I'm not falling for that again. I know you're just tricking me. Bye. E, L, L, I, and E, Ellie. Okay, I'm finished. Romeo, what about you? You done? Okay, let's show the boys and girls in 3, 2, 1. Okay, boys and girls, you get to decide. Who did this picture better? Me with my rainbow-colored glasses minion, or Romeo with his super colorful pink minion? Let us know in the comments below who you think did the best job in round 3. Thank you, boys and girls, for joining us on our 3 marker challenge video. This was really fun. Did you have fun, Romeo? Okay, everyone, until next time, keep sparkling and Ellie out.